Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining this session on Ensure Business Continuity by connecting your ecosystem on cloud. This is Mehul from Wise team. I just want to let you know that we will be starting the session just in a couple of minutes. So we have a few people joining in. We will just give them a couple of more minutes for a few people to join, and we will start immediately. Okay, so I think we can begin with the session. So, hello everyone. Thank you for joining this session on Ensure Business Continuity by connecting your ecosystem on cloud. I am Mehul from Wise team and I handle the marketing activities. Before we begin the session, I would like to inform you that this will be a 45 to 50 minute session followed by a 10 minutes question and answer round. In between, if you have any questions, you can type them in the chat box and we will answer it after the session. We want this to be a two-way session and interact with you as much as possible. Therefore, we also have a few poll questions which will be coming up on your screen in between the presentation. So we request all of you to respond to these questions by clicking the suitable options. And without taking much time, I would like to introduce our speaker today and our company, and then we can begin with the session. So today we have with us Mr. Kiran Bokre, who is a senior CATIA and 3D experience solution engineer with Wyas. Kiran has done his Masters of Engineering in Mechanical Design from the University of Pune. He has 11 plus years of experience in engineering consulting, technical support, and pre-sale activities in the area of design and digital manufacturing, engineering, and validation. As a CAD and manufacturing professional, he has worked on various on-site projects in automotive, process industries, and nuclear energy segments for virtual manufacturing process validation. His expertise is in forging design, plant design, and validation using digital manufacturing solutions and CAD using multiple CAD solutions. He has vast knowledge related to the complete processes followed in various industries. So that is Kiran, who would be interacting with us today for the cloud solutions. And Kiran, I request you to just go on the next slide so that I can introduce Vyas and then we can begin with the session. Thank you. So just a quick glimpse of who Vyas is. So basically we are Dassault Systems value-added resellers in India, and we provide software and engineering consultancy, training, automation, 3D experience implementation, Delmia Abacus, and all the various solutions which can be used for simulation. We have multiple industry experience. We started with oil and gas and machinery and equipment, but we have now diversified into aerospace, medical devices, manufacturing, automotive. So basically, varied industries we provide support to. Our team majorly consists of PhDs and masters in solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, material and corrosion. So basically, all the team members we have the expertise in these various fields, and that is what our strength is. That is what the USP of our team is, that we have strong experience in all these fields. In terms of presence in India, we have presence in Hyderabad, Pune, Kolkata, and Bangalore, and we are still expanding to various other cities. And our headquarter is in Houston, USA, where the company has been working from past 7 years. Can we go to next slide, please, Kiran? Yeah. So what do we bring to the table as a value proposition? We are committed to every client's success through technical excellence and innovation. And basically that is what we bring to the table. A lot of technical experience from varied industries. We have domain knowledge in PLM implementation, FEA and CFD analysis, digital manufacturing and validation. Then we can also review your existing design and manufacturing workflow and process and provide you feedback. So basically a consultant role also we take for various of our clients. And then we provide customized and standard trainings in-house, on-site, online. So we are flexible in all the workings. We can work from anywhere the client wishes. And we offer software development services for Abacus as well, including user subroutines, user elements, and Python scripts, allowing pre and post processing features. So with this, I invite Kiran now to take over the session and begin with today's webinar. As informed earlier, in case if you have any questions, please type them in the chat box and we can answer them after the session. Okay. Thank you, Kiran. Over to you.
Yeah, thanks, Mehul. Thanks for the introduction. And good afternoon, all of you. I will directly go to the today's session's agenda. So agenda contains introduction to 3D Experience platform. What actually 3D Experience platform is, we'll just go through overview of 3D Experience. Then communication using 3D Experience platform, how we do the communication in 3D Experience platform. Then why we need to go for a 3D Experience platform, that we will discuss. What 3D Experience platform does, if we implement 3D Experience platform, what benefits we will get. Then in this COVID situation, in this present COVID situation, our business must go on. So what are the best possible possibilities that we can use to continue our business using 3D Experience platform, that we will discuss. And if we are going for a cloud solution, then why we require cloud, and some details about that. And finally, we will go for the question and answer session. So in this COVID situation, we need to confirm that our business is not hampered. Our business continuity is carried out. So for that, we are focusing on this 3D Experience platform cloud solution. So this is the basics of what 3D Experience platform is. Dassault Systems, which is the owner of this 3D Experience solution, what they have done, all their solutions, they have integrated in a common platform, which is called as 3D Experience platform. And this particular compass, this is for 3D Experience platform compass, which contains 4 quadrants in it. The first quadrant is the 3D quadrant. So in 3D quadrant, you will find all the 3D modeling solutions, I will say, not apps presently. All the 3D modeling solutions which Dassault Systems own. The examples can be given as CATIA, SolidWorks, and BioVia, which comes under the 3D quadrant. Then if we move further, we are having a quadrant called as V plus R, or we can call it as virtual plus reality. All the simulation related apps are or solutions are under this particular quadrant. Examples can be given as Delmia, then Similia, then 3D Via. All these are simulation related solutions which Dassault Systems own. Then we can go further to the next quadrant, which is information intelligence quadrant, in which all the information intelligence related solutions can be seen under this. There is NetVibes and all other solutions are available here. And the topmost quadrant, it is called as social and collaborative quadrant, in which you will find the Innovia application, which is the base of this 3D Experience platform, on which the 3D Experience platform works. Okay. So basically we need to first understand what is a platform. To explain this, there is a very simple example of a mobile. In a mobile you will find all different applications are there on a single mobile. So mobile can be called as a platform, and under that you will find all the related or required apps in a common platform. uh, what all apps we are using in a mobile. This is the short snap of that. So same ways a 3D experience platform also we can use different apps in that. So in which we will call Katia as an app, or SolidWorks as an app, or BioVia as an app, Delmia as an app. So different apps which can cater your industry requirements, all are incorporated in a single platform in different quadrants. So as per your requirement you can select whatever apps, whatever solutions you require, and under that apps you will find different roles are there. And in roles again there are different apps available. Okay. So before going for 3D experience platform in detail or cloud in detail, we need to first understand how communication is done inside a industry, inside a traditional industry, and what improvisation we can do using 3D experience platform, or we can call it as digital transformation. So there are two ways how we can communicate. One is electronically, and other one is digital communication. So the first snap you will see, there is an electronic boarding pass which is created using electronic interface, and there is one update here, that there is a gate change here. So if the electronic boarding pass is generated, the electronic boarding pass is not updated with respect to the announcement, or with respect to the update which is given. Okay. Instead of that, what we can do, we can go for a digital transformation further. We can create a digital boarding pass, and once there is an update here, you will get the update in the digital format, auto update. Okay. So why this example is shown, because uh, we should get a real time update of all the activities which are going in our industry presently, or else all the stakeholders who are carrying out a particular project, the requirement is that all the stakeholders should be on a common platform and a common understanding, and they should be continuously collaborating with each other. In the first case, in the electronic format, you will find there is some communication problem, or I will say the real-time data is not given actually. And in the second option, digital format, you will get the real-time update of the activities which are going on. Okay. So this same I will say funda, this is carried out in 3D experience platform further. So electronic communication, you will find there are different I will say, in an organization, different departments are there, different users are there, mechanical designers are there, then finance is there, and they are continuously interacting. I will not say continuously interacting in electronic communication. They are only interacting using some mails or some phone calls. So you will see this is not actually called as a real-time update of the ongoing activities, or a continuous collaboration happening between all the stakeholders of a particular project. Okay. So they are exchanging some mails, they are doing some phone calls, and if there is some update, urgent update is there, so that particular update also is given in the format of electronic communication. Okay. Either in a format of mail or phone calls. So in an industry you will find all these particular stakeholders who are handling a particular project. There can be a supplier, there can be an engineer, there can be a buyer, then electrical designer. N number of verticals are available in an organization. And I will not say only a single organization, a single company. We need to integrate with different organizations, different companies, uh, geographically distributed. Means one organization is in India and other organization is in suppose US. So we need to continuously interact with each other, so that each and every stakeholder or each and every person should have the updated data with him and a common understanding with each other. Okay. So using this electronic communication, which is not possible actually, because they are communicating using the mails and phone calls only. So instead of that, we can go for a digital communication. For this reason only, we are calling this particular aspect as a digital transformation in our organization. So what happens in this, each and every stakeholder, they will be interacting with each other in a continuous manner. Whenever so for example, a mechanical designer, he logs in into the 3D experience platform, he will get all the updated data which for a particular project on which he is working, okay, which again depends on the access level what the admin has provided him, okay. So how this can be done? This can be done using a 3D experience platform. So you will find, because of all the apps which are integrated in the all the quadrants of the 3D experience platform, because of that there is a continuous integration or continuous collaboration which is happening between all the stakeholders of a particular organization working on a common project. So why this is happening? Because the first quadrant which I explained, social and collaborative apps are available here, the topmost. In using that, you can do the continuous collaboration. So how this happens? So this happens in this way. There is a continuous interaction going on with the users, with the verticals, with the departments, using the 3D experience platform, okay. So this, in this way, you will find there is a continuous interaction going on between each and every stakeholder of a particular project. So how this is benefited? If you are going for a digital transformation, digital communication, how this is benefited for an organization? Accessibility, you can increase the accessibility. Means the person who is requiring any data, any update on a particular activity, that particular update or activity or data, he can anytime fetch from the 3D experience platform. And this 3D experience platform, it completely works on a database system. All the required information of a particular project, it is saved in the database, okay. So accessibility can be increased. Then second point is contributors. Presently what happens in traditional way, if we go for the electronic communication or traditional communication, many contributors, they are not on a common platform, they are not continuously interacting with each other for the updated data of the particular project. So contributors, they can interact with each other, and they can contribute in terms of the activities which are going on a particular project, okay. Then next benefit which we are getting is the continuous collaboration happening between the stakeholders, between a single organization, a single company, or multiple organizations distributed geographically, okay. And the last one is innovation. Now if we talk about 3D experience platform, there are certain communities also which we can work with, and these particular communities, what they can do, they can whatever ideas they are having related to some projects or some thoughts, they can post that particular ideas on the community. And if you are having the access to that community, then we can get the required information or related to the innovation, whatever is posted by the expert, that we can get the information using the digital continuity, okay. So based on the discussion which was in the previous slides, one question: which type of communication tool you are using presently? Electronic, if you are using electronic communication, how you are handling that? And if you are using the digital communication, what digital communication tool you are using presently? So this is required to be answered in the poll questions, which will be you will be receiving soon, okay. So
Yeah, Kiran, I will
yeah,
just
explain.
post the poll question. Just one second.
Yeah, yeah. So as I explained, a 3D experience platform is distributed in 4 quadrants. So all the respective solutions what Dassault Systems own are distributed among the 4 quadrants: CATIA, BioVia, GeoVia, SolidWorks, then 3D Via, Similia, Delmia, then Exalead, NetVibes, and Innovia. All these are distributed, and basically using all these particular apps, we can cater almost 11 to 12 types of industries, in which transportation and mobility, aerospace, marine, industrial equipment, high tech, then home science or home and lifestyles, consumer goods, then life sciences, energy, construction, and business services or ESPs, okay. So why 3D experience platform basically is required? To help the business leaders to understand the present situation of the particular project or the whatever activities are going inside your organization. So once he gets the idea of a particular situation, of a particular activity in his organization, he can navigate the future based on the requirement, based on the demand of the particular product. He can navigate the future, he can create the future virtually. Okay, and once the future is created, then he can create a customer experience. For example, to give an example of this customer experience, consumer experience, we can give an example of a plant building. Instead of building a plant traditionally, what we can do using the all required apps on 3D experience platform, we can create the plant virtually. We can showcase that the virtual plant, and once it is validated, then we can go for the further finalization of the actual plant. So we can give a particular confidence level to the customer that whatever solution we are providing, it works properly. Okay, so basically what 3D experience platform does. So we have understood what 3D experience platform is. Now what 3D experience platform can do is it can be defined in one line. It helps the business leader to connect the dots in their company or in the organization. So these dots can be referred as different stakeholders who are working on a particular project. They can be in working in a multiple departments. Okay, so the first option, the first uh, the item which you will find here, it is people. So we are basically connecting the people who are working on a common project using the 3D experience platform. Then for working on a particular project, we need to work on some data also. We need to gather some data from whatever sources we are having, and this particular data we need to when we are gathering, it is in a non-structured format. So we need to convert that particular data to a structured format so that it can be utilized properly. So connecting that data also means that we are connecting the dots in the organization. So third option is we are, as I explained, we are working on with some communities also. Either that community can be a private community or it can be a public community. So whatever ideas we are getting for that community, we can utilize that particular ideas in our organization to create or to manufacture or to design our product. And third option is, last option is related to the solutions. So based on the data which we have gathered, based on the ideas which we have gathered, whatever required solutions are available, integrating each and every solution and utilizing that particular solutions for the product development or manufacturing of the product or designing of the product, that we can do using the solutions. Okay, so solutions means all the Dassault Systems solutions which we provide on the 3D experience platform. 3D experience platform, it is available on premises also and on cloud also. And in cloud again, it is differentiated in private cloud and public cloud. So that we will be seeing in the coming slides. So once we have connected all the dots using the people, the data, the ideas, and the solution. So how that will benefit our as is process. So basically, the main challenge what current industries are facing is that they need to launch their particular product in the market in a particular time frame, because they cannot delay in that. Whatever time frame they have decided, they need to meet that time frame. So these particular activities, the decision making, then planning, execution, and new products, once we are done with the connecting the dots, then we can easily do the decision making, because each and every stakeholder are connected in the real time scenario, and decisions can be given on the fly. Okay, then planning of the complete I will say production activity or complete design activity, or I will say complete project planning can be done in the initial phases only, because all the stakeholders are continuously collaborating with each other. And once the planning is done, the execution can also be done in the real time scenario. And wherever there is a in an organization, there is a continuous improvement going on the products also. Continuous R&D is going on the existing products, so that particular activity also can be enhanced once we have incorporated this 3D experience platform. So if we differentiate or if we categorize the complete process, so as I explained, the initial process will be unstructured collaboration, in which we are gathering all the required data for whatever project we are doing. So that data we can collect from all the blogs or communities or internal knowledge and manufacturing insights or supplier insights. And this particular data, it is in I will say non-structured format or unstructured format. So once this data is gathered, the ideas the data is gathered, so what we can do, all the required inputs we can explore that. Out of that we can evaluate or validate which is the best possible idea. And once that best possible idea is found, then we can go for the implementation phase. So what we are doing exactly here, we are converting that particular unstructured data or unstructured collaboration to a structured data and a structured collaboration using the 3D experience platform. So once this implementation is started, then we can go for the structured collaboration using the program management. Okay, and under program management, when using 3D experience platform, you can go for complete project definition. So once the project is defined, you can start from the RFQ management, the requirement management, to the project team definition. And in project team definition, you can go for a definition of the project members also, the team members also, and defining the task to each and every team members. And that particular task, we can time to time or in the real time, we can check whether the tasks are achieved or not achieved. So there are different phases available for that. And once one phase is completed, then only we can open the gate and we can go for the next task. So the complete project management or program management can be done in a structured manner using the 3D experience platform. And finally, we can go for what are the deliverables. So each and every phase, they are having their defined what deliverables they are having. And finally, the final output should be the complete I will say product or whatever is required. Okay, so once this is done, then we can also cater the supply chain planning. Then we can go for the production planning. And once the production planning is done, we can go for the virtual commissioning. So all this supply chain planning and production planning, this can be done in the virtual environment in the 3D experience platform. It can be cloud or premises. Okay, so in this first slide, in this project planning, project management also, we can handle the design phase also here. So once the design is done, we can go for the supply chain planning. So supply chain design, then inventory planning, then integrated supply chain planning and order promising. So based on that, we can define different uh, production plan, and we can incorporate that production plan. We can cross verify that production plan in the virtual environment. Once it is cross verified, then we can go for the actual planning. And as it is completely real time data, so whatever challenges we are facing in the actual scenario, that can be replicated, or we can see that challenges in the virtual environment also. So under the production planning, we can go for the manufacturing planning. So if we want to manufacture a particular project, what should be the process planning for that? What should be the process defined for that? So that can be done. And to incorporate that particular process, what all resources are required, so that particular resources we can do using the resource planner. And once this is done, then we can go for the production scheduler. So up to production planning, the virtual environment is carried out. Addition to that, we can go for the work safety engineer, or whatever workers we are working on the shop floor. That particular activities can be created virtually in the solution and in the 3D experience platform, and we can virtually validate that, and then we can go for the actual incorporation of that. So similarly, we can go for the digital work instructions. Then layout of the complete factory can be created using the 3D experience platform solution. And throughput simulation of a particular assembly line of a particular plant, we can do the throughput simulation also. So you will see right from the concept design, or I will not say concept design, right from the idea gathering gathering the ideas, then converting that particular ideas to a structured format, then going for the project management, then designing, concept design, then actual design, then supply chain and manufacturing, and the actual commissioning. So all these things can be incorporated in a single platform, which is called as 3D experience platform. Okay. So how the once we incorporate the 3D experience platform at the customer end, so there will be a continuous interaction going between the suppliers also, or we can say the suppliers also, the stakeholders also, and whoever is handling the particular project. All the stakeholders can be continuously integrating or collaborating with each other. So how this can be done using the Dassault Systems product, which is called as 3D experience platform, and we can help you in this in incorporating this at your organization, in your organization. So based on the discussion which happened in the previous slides, next question is, are your business verticals and different stakes digitally connected to each other? uh, Already I have explained the meaning of digital connectivity or digital continuity or digital transformation. So whether if it is not connected, then we can help you to connect that, and we can help you to get the real-time information of your complete project, right from the RFQ stage to the delivery stage to the final stage. Okay. So in this COVID situation, the main challenge is that our business must go on. Because of this COVID situation, we have seen that many organizations, they have stopped working, their operations are not working, and in present situation also the lockdown is open, but they have not started the full-fledged operations. So how this can be done? If you are using the 3D experience platform on the cloud, I will not
Kiran, I think your voice is not audible. Can everyone else, can anybody confirm in the chat box if they can hear the voice? Okay, Kiran, your voice is not audible. I think just give us 1 second. We will just check the issue. Okay, we see a couple of people are not able to hear. Let me just check with Kiran once. Kiran, I think there is your screen has hanged. Can you just reconnect once? Uh, just hold on for 1 minute. I'm just checking with Kiran. I think there's some network issue at Kiran's end. So just give us a couple of minutes so that he is reconnecting. Yeah, I think he's connected now. Kiran, can you hear us? Yeah, Kiran, can you hear us? We cannot hear you. Yeah, Kiran, can you hear us?
Yeah. There is a
Please
connectivity
go ahead.
problem actually.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah,
Please
you
go
are
ahead.
able to hear. You are able to hear now presently.
Yes, yes, it's audible now. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So I was just explaining if we implement the 3D experience platform on cloud, so what all advantages we will be getting. So we can access our design environment or product data anytime, anywhere using the 3D experience platform on cloud, and we can do the continuous design collaboration between multiple geos. And if you are going for a cloud solution, then IT related issues or investments that can be avoided, and because of this COVID situation, the loss of man hours also can be avoided. So these are some of the customers who are using the cloud solution presently in this COVID situation. So let's go to the next slide. Yeah, so this is one of the case study. This is Dassault Systems customer who is a electrical vehicle manufacturer, Canu, and this customer has implemented the 3D experience platform on cloud. So what all benefits they are getting is scalability in the sense 3D experience platform itself is a scalable product. That means we can go for the basic level of 3D experience platform on cloud, and after that, as per our requirement, we can add on the required rules or licenses as per our requirement. And then we can go for the concurrent design engineering, because we are continuously collaborating with the different stakeholders. So we can go for the continuous concurrent engineering, and real-time information can be gathered from the project, whatever we are handling. And as I said, lower the IT overheads because we are working on the cloud interface, and a seamless transition to work from home environment. So this point is basically for the present situation. So this particular customer, they are using 3D experience platform on cloud with 100% efficiently. This is one more experience, one more, I will say, customer. I cannot disclose the name of this, but 3D
Kiran, I think your
experience cloud they are also using presently, and more or the less the same basically, if you see here, there are phases available in this. So we can go for imagine, create, produce, use, value, and advocate. And once the advocate is done, once the use is done, we can again go for development of our existing product. So this is a continuous cycle going on, and this particular so there is a short video.
Kiran, I think we lost you again due to the network. Yeah, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you're audible. Please go ahead. We cannot see the video screen. I think it's on the previous slide itself.
The video is going on mute. You are able to see the video?
Yes, we can see it.
So I'll just run this video quickly because we are short of time. So basically what he was trying to tell, because of 3D Experience Cloud solution, he's able to integrate or collaborate with the different stakeholders anytime, and he can check his data, he can check the real-time information of the particular project on his tab also, because there are some apps available in 3D Experience platform which work on the web browser also, no need of actual native apps installed on your system. Okay, so that thing he was trying to explain, and addition to that, we can connect our other CAD solutions also, as SolidWorks. There are connectors available which can be connected with 3D Experience platform. The data can be taken from the SolidWorks, and we can use that particular data in 3D Experience platform. Okay. So again, one question: is your business going on because of COVID situation? So if the answer is yes, then we will like to know how you are doing presently, and if the answer is no, then we can help you to cater that using the 3D Experience Platform Cloud. What values the customer get? These are the current situations which are going on presently, and the business continuity or the business should go on in these situations also. So this is one advantage what we get after implementing 3D Experience on cloud. And the next one is low total cost of operation. Because of we are using the cloud solution, we are not investing much on the IT infrastructure. Only the internet connectivity is required with your client machine and the server machine. Okay, the server also, it will be the Amazon server on which the data will be kept. So we'll go in the next slides, we'll go through that also. And the rapid ROI, the return on investment, you will find there is a rapid return on investment on your investment, whatever you have done. And multi-location real-time collaboration can be done using the cloud solution. So basically, as I explained, cloud comes in three formats. I will not say cloud, the 3D Experience platform, on premises, then cloud. Under cloud, it can be a private cloud, it can be a public cloud. So if you go for on premises, it is a general availability. It can be easily taken from, easily wide from us or the Dassault systems. And again, for this, the investment required is, I will say, IT investment is also huge in this. So instead of that, we can go for the cloud solution. And in cloud, private cloud and public cloud, private cloud is a control availability. The bare minimum requirement for this is you should have at least 50 members who will be working on the cloud, so that we can go for the private cloud. And these are some advantages what you will get using the private cloud. So private access is there. Basically, this particular private cloud can be used inside your organization. So for that, the VPN connectivity is required. And if you go for the public cloud, it is a general availability, and internet is required. Good LAN connectivity, internet connectivity between different organizations is required. So in these three concepts are there. One is software as a service. So we provide software as a service. Then the complete platform we provide as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So if we go for the cloud solution, all these three services will be by default in that. Okay. And one more additional point in this is customization and configuration. Configuration means all the roles and licenses which will be available on premises or on cloud. So you will find all the configurations are available here in each and every solution. But if you go for cloud solution, customization is not required as such, because for installing a on premises 3D Experience platform, there is lot of installation and customization is required to be done. But for cloud, it is not required. So that is the advantage. This is a particular format if you are working on cloud, and in between, if you want to go in an offline mode. So what are the different stages in this? So you will see Designer working connected on 3D Experience platform. He is presently working on 3D Experience platform. I will say cloud. Then designer locks the content. In 3D Experience platform, one good point is that whatever designer is working on, he can log that particular data with him, so that the other users, he will not be able to do some modifications in that. And after that, he can go for selecting the work offline option, and he can select for how many days he want to work for offline, and what all license he will require, what all roles he will require from 3D Experience cloud, so that he can select, and he can disconnect from the 3D Experience platform. Okay, and he can go for CATIA offline working. He can work on the CATIA workbench or CATIA toolbars. He can create all the model. He can save the model offline. He can again connect to the 3D Experience platform, and he can save that modifications in the database. So in this COVID situation, if you know that there is a lockdown of suppose 30 days, so you can go for offline mode 30 days. You can do your work offline, and once you are out of the lockdown, you can reconnect and put all the data inside the 3D Experience platform. So that's what it is showing. So one more question is there: which cloud solution are you using in your organization presently? If you are not using any solution, we can help you. If you are using any solutions, in that also, if you wish, we can try to interact with you, and we can try to understand your as is process and what challenges you are facing presently using some other PLM tool or cloud tool. Okay, so what all things can be done inside a 3D Experience platform cloud? We can go for a complete project management. So I'll just run this video quickly. So I'll just pause this. This is basically a 3D Experience platform window in which you will find this is the dashboard, and this is the compass, 3D Experience compass, which we saw. And if you go for the 3D quadrant, then we will find CATIA, and under CATIA you will find all the required roles or apps available. And you can select, suppose part design, you can go for the part design, and you can start designing your particular product here. Okay. And deliverables. Creating a project. Collaborative tasks technology so that collaborators have a simple and familiar experience. So I'll quickly explain what is the video. This is actually a project planning, project management video in which you will define the project. You will define what all users you want to add, all stakeholders you want to add to that project, and you can define the task, which are the ongoing tasks, which are the completed tasks, and which are the pending tasks. So you can get a real-time dashboard of your complete project and what all things are going into the project. Okay, so I'll quickly go to the next slide. In the same manner, you can go for doing your CAD aspects also, for which you can use the CATIA tools. So I'll not run this video because of time issue. So CATIA you can go for designing your complete product using the 3D Experience platform cloud solution. Then you can go for a solution which is called Similia. I'll just run this video quickly. The latest release for the 3D printing simulation to reduce cost, increase product performance, and power sustainable innovation for product. So basically, all the product related analysis, CAE analysis, can be handled in the Simulia solution. So same as what we do in CATIA, what all the product designing we do in CATIA, that particular simulation can be done, product simulation can be done using Simulia. And Innovia is for doing the collaboration, the online collaboration, the real-time data gathering. So I will not go into details of this. If you find anything interesting in this, we can later connect. We can do a devotedly session for the solution which you require. Then there is a solution called as Delmia, which is for digital manufacturing. I will just quickly run this. And DFA specialists to graphically validate and document the assembly process. The process plan visualization in 3D illustrates all the details of the assembly sequence and makes current assembly planning done by most companies today. So basically, this videos explain how we can manufacture our product using the digital manufacturing solution. We can completely build our process planning virtually, build our complete plant virtually, validate that particular plant, and once the validation is done, then we can go for the actual building of the plant. Okay. So instead of doing the trial and error in the actual scenario, we can do the trial and error in the virtual environment. And once it is validated, then we can go for the actual implementation. So the total cost of ownership is reduced if you go for the cloud. How it is reduced? Because of no IT infrastructure, major IT infrastructure is required. Then maintenance, it is not required. And training, yes, training is required. Hardware is not required. So this is the comparison between if you go for the premises and if you go for the cloud, what are the benefits? Okay. So almost you will we can say almost there is a 50% or more than that saving is there if you go in details of this. How we can implement cloud at our end. So basically, if you purchase a cloud from us, you will receive the first email. Then you can create a 3D experience ID for different users. If you have gone for 20 users, then you can create a 3D experience ID for 20 users. Log into the platform, access the dashboard, then select your app from the Compass. App means you can select CATIA, and under CATIA you can go for part design. Then you can download and install the software, which is again online. No need to download the setup manually, and you can start working addition to this. So I'll just quickly run this video. So there are basically 6 stages. Using that, you can implement 3D experience platform at your end. What are the 6 steps that is explained here? So basically this complete installation, right from the email to the complete app installation, it will hardly take half an hour, and you can start working in required apps after the complete installation. Okay. And this is something related to cross company collaboration. As I explained, in multiple locations, if you are handling the organizations, so how interaction, how collaboration you can do using the 3D experience platform, it is explained here. And in addition to this, you can interact with your vendors and suppliers also using the 3D experience platform. No need, they don't need the actual setup installed. We can connect to the browser apps. We can directly, which can directly send a mail to the vendors. They can click on the link, and you can do a real time review or whatever is required with the vendor or supplier. Then this is something related to the server. So in Mumbai, basically the 3D experience platform server is based, which is again the Amazon server, and from there all the required data you can fetch. So if the data is coming from the US data center, then that particular data will be first first come to the server, the Mumbai server, and then respective users can access the data, okay, under cloud. And what about the security of the cloud? So all these are the possibilities in which the data can be misused, or the data can be breached. Okay, so for that to cater this, there are 4 layers available in the cloud security. One is infrastructure level, then application level, data level, and user interface level. So a dedicated document is available for this cloud security. That particular document also I will try to share with you for this total security. You can just go through that. And then last question is, would you like to discuss with our technical representative the benefits of cloud solution? If yes, you can anytime contact us. And if you are existing using some solution, then also I said we can do some value addition in that, if you are facing some pain areas or some problems in that. Okay. And who are the customers, the system customers? New industries can be catered, then startups can be catered, then center of excellence can be catered, and auto industries can be catered. So these are the customers where cloud implementation is successfully done. These are basically India customers. Okay. And as I said, you can do the cross selling and upselling also. You can scale up the product anytime, and additionally you can go for cross selling also. You are using Katia and you want some Delmia capabilities, that also you can incorporate in the 3D experience cloud. And this is something related to the EFI communities, the communities which I talk. So using these communities, you can gather the technical tips and whatever upgrades are required, whatever some solutions are required. So we can connect to these communities anytime using the cloud solution. And this is the support system which is available backend for cloud. It is very if there are 3 categories in this. A simple question, how to add the user to the 3D space. So this can be catered using this. Then functional requirement is there, or functional request is there. We can go for a deliberate support system. And if there is a situation that you cannot use your cloud system, then 24/7 support is available for this. You can anytime call us, or there is an online chatting available with Dassault systems also, so they can help you for this. And these are our links, website links, where you can get all the required information. If you want to ping us, you can ping on these details or these mobile numbers. So this is technically from my side. So if you are having any questions, we can go further.
Yes, Kiran, I do have one question in the chat box. So it is from
Yeah.
Mr. Ramalingam. He wants to know if 3D
Yeah.
Experience platform will only support the products from Dassault Systems, or we can integrate any 3D modeling softwares, FEA tools, and other ERP tools also in the platform.
I said there are connectors available which can be connected to 3D Experience platform. Okay, and that connectors you need to purchase additionally if you say that you are using, for example, SolidWorks or Solid Edge. So there are connectors available. We can connect that, and whatever data is available, that data can be taken to 3D Experience, and we can start using that data in 3D Experience.
Okay.
I'm having
Mr.
a
Raman,
dedicated document for the connectors available. So I'll share that document with sir. Okay.
Sure. I think that answers the question. Mr. Ramalingam, if you have any other question, I have unmuted you. You can also unmute yourself and ask, or any other attendees, if you have any questions, you can just raise your hand or type them in chat box, and or we can unmute you and you can ask them. Also, for your information, we will share the webinar recording and slides with you for your reference. So in future also, if you want to see any of these slides and also show it to your teammates, definitely we can do that. We'll share with you. If you want us to connect separately to give you a detailed demo on how this will suit as per your area of work, we can do that as well. Okay.
So in addition to the PPT which I showed, there are some questions related to cloud 3D Experience Cloud. There are almost 27 questions, and the answers are given for that. Okay, so we'll try to share this document also with you. You can just go through this, and if you are having any doubts related to that, you can anytime connect back to us. We can answer that, or we can do a dedicated demo for you. So almost 27 questions are there. Sir's question is also available in this. The connectors, water connectors are available. Still, I will try to share the dedicated document for that. Okay.
Sure, Kiran, that sounds good. Also, we have a suggestion from Mr. George. He is asking to share the presentation. Definitely, sir, we will share that with you. And in case if there are any other questions, feel free to type in the chat box or raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Okay, I think there are no more questions. So thank you very much, Kiran, for this informative presentation on how we can ensure our business continuity in this time of COVID-19 and how we can connect remotely. We will keep in touch with all the attendees, and definitely we will share the presentation and recording with everyone. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, thank you everyone.
Thank you.